Okay, so I've got my oil pump here, cleaned it all up again as one final prep, washed it down, blew it through with the air compressor, and now this goes in here. Now again, use a little bit of oil, so try and get a bit of oil on my glove here. There we go. Just gonna rub that round the inside here and around the seal, and we want this to fit in here. Let's try and see if we can get it seated at all. Oh, thought I had it there for a second. Very tight, which is good. You want it to be, obviously. Might be a bit too big for this one. Let's try go a little bit smaller. Just gonna go back to the larger size second. I think it's seated. I just want to give it one last little fettle. Yep, I'm happy with that now. That looks good. Sorry, don't know if you can see that. Bit blurred on camera. That was good. Metal ring is still in place, so that's our second seal in. Now we're going to put our oil pump back together. So I think let's put back on there. It goes this way around. Yep, that was good. I'm just going to put, probably unnecessary, but I'm just going to put a bit of oil in here. Like I said, it's engine oil, so it's not going to do any harm. That'll just sit in there nicely. Just make sure when it starts up for the first time, it's all nicely lubricated. And that sounds good. Probably put quite a lot in there, to be honest, but better safe than sorry. That goes on like that, and then we have our 4 bolts. These ones are difficult at the back here. I just haven't got the right tool to do these up easily. Ratchet doesn't want to fit in there very well. Those two are finger tight. The other two are finger tight as well for now. Let's get an extension for our ratchet. And then we're going to do these up nice and tight. And then go with a screwdriver. Oh, not screwdriver, spanner even. On these ones. That's as tight as I can get it. This one's even more difficult. The angle is very acute here. Okay, let's just see whether I can get it any tighter with these. No, this is tight if I can get it. So that's that done. We'll put that to the side now, ready for assembly later.